Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to check your credit score with Bright. Knowing your credit score is key to managing your financial health, and Bright makes it easy. Once you set up your Bright account and link your financial information, you can access your credit score directly in the app. No extra cost, no hard pulls. Bright provides a regular update score pulled from your trusted credit bureau so you can keep track of changes over time. You're going to also see a breakdown of the factors affecting your score, like payment history, credit utilizations, and of course the length of credit. This insight helps you to understand what's working, what's hurting your score, and how to improve it over time. With Bright, checking your credit score is fast, free, and stress-free. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.